Hey y'all, it's your girl P. Today I am doing a traveling vlog. Yay! So I am just doing my last minute preparations because you know black people ain't never on time. Just doing my last minute pack-in. My flight's at 10:30. I believe it's like 8 o'clock right now. I'm waiting on my ride to come get me so I can go to the airport because we are going to Aruba. Yes! See you at the airport. I have arrived, you guys, to Aruba. Still in the airport. My sisters are in the restroom. You know, we about to have a good old time because it's my cousin's birthday. Making my way downtown, walking fast, something, something, something. Something, something, running through the crowd. Just got to our condo, our Airbnb, so walking. We're in Aruba. We made it safely, thank God. Whew. The sun is out, shining. Yes, our first time. We are entering our Airbnb. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. So nice in here. Look at the kitchen. I'm in love.
Okay, let me show you where your beach chairs are.
Ooh, look at this bedroom.
Oh, there's 2 beach chairs, so every beautiful. That's the same thing on the house. Okay.
I'll just put my bag.
More, you have a laundry bag over there.
Get your. Oh, look at the bathroom. Oh, look at that shower, Lord. Yes.
Hi. You also have a cooler.
Hi, Peter. What's up, girl? This is the second bedroom. Hey, girl, get your shower. Ooh, it's sweetie.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Ooh, oh. Look at bathroom lah.
Get out of our room, please.
Oh yeah, this your room?
So you have a
Mansaro
there.
Yes, girl, we made it. We made it to Aruba. We made it to. It's a girls trip. It's a girls trip. Y'all know how in the girls trip movie there was like Flossie Posse. Well, we Haitian Posse. Ayy, ayy, ayy. We in Aruba, bitch. We in Aruba, bitch. Ayy, get the gat, get the gat, get the gat. To the something, then it's in the something. Get the gat, get the gat. We are getting ready to go sightseeing. Gonna keep it light today, so. Ooh, Lord, this sun.
Yeah.
it's just the beaming. Oh, yeah. We are hungry. These people said everything is in walking distance. I don't know what their definition of walking distance is, but it's not my definition of walking distance. We are at the, what is it, Moomba Beach Bar. Just came to grab a little snack before dinner. It's a vibe. It's on the beach. Hello. Bring me higher light. Bring me. Oh. The food is here. Yes.
We have fish tacos.
Chicken. Moment of truth. That's decent. Oh my. This is how they bring you the check. It's time to go.
Slapping with your hair.
Oh, I apologize. Do I really? Probably not. Yeah, but we just got done eating. The taco was pretty good. It was good. The tacos was good. Now we about to head back to our Airbnb and chill out until dinner. We are gonna be eating at the Screaming Eagle or whatever. Can't wait to show you guys how dope that restaurant is. So stay tuned. Found a little market in Aruba called Mezzi. I'm gonna check it out. We are going to dinner. Aren't we cute? go meet the taxi outside out front, and then we're gonna go to the Screaming Eagle restaurant for our dinner reservations. So we just arrived at the Screaming Eagle. It's extremely windy out there. It feels so good. But yeah, I can't wait. I read so many good reviews about this place, so let's check it out. Look at this. Looky.
Take your shoes off.
We have to take our shoes off. Oh my god, this is so dope. We just ordered our food. They gave us like these little shot glasses of, what does she call it? Cospacha?
It's tomato soup.
It's cold. So, you want to try your cuspacha with me?
My Spanish girlfriend.
Why you gonna let me go by myself? Kimberly, try your cuspacha with me. Huh?
I'm gonna put my phone on the other end.
Are you gonna try your cuspacha with me?
My Spanish girlfriend.
Kimberly.
You as a single person.
Y'all ready? Cheers.
No, I'm so No, I'm probably never. I'm hoping to get together with Goody in the city.
Like it? It has an interesting taste to it. They give us bread. Obviously, she doesn't like it too much, but let me try it for myself.
Shit up. I mean, she's eating it.
Huh?
Bring a date to grade 8 events. And then I can come by myself to the grade events. That's goofy.
Oh yeah. I will. Damn. The berries and all that. It's a little salty. It's a little buttery. I am having the sea breeze from the Screaming Eagle Aruba. Cold tomato soup. Let me see if it tastes as good as it looks.
Head of the Robin is on a together with her boyfriend. A work assignment at the fire. Rob is the higher.
It's really good. It's so good.
I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Quinn Harris.
It's really good.
And
Okay, the lesbian married.
So when a power storm forces
Who's the, was it a friend's cannabis swimmer?
It is good. Excuse me.
Look at this.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna have one. It is really good. But you didn't mix it up though.
Did she listen?
Wow, we just got our food. Girl, you couldn't wait to dive in, could you?
Much better.
Wow. It looks so good. Hopefully it tastes good. Happy birthday to you. Woo! So we just got back from the restaurant. The food was pretty decent. We had a good time. It was a different experience. So yeah, I'm vlogging. Thank you. Yeah, we had a good time. It was a different experience. You know, dinner in bed type of thing. It was really good vibe. I'm just looking forward to what we have planned for tomorrow. So, see you guys tomorrow. Stay Stay tuned for part 2 of Welcome to Aruba.